What up, my guys? Welcome back to a weekly recap of the motherfucking GBPUSD. Yeah, it was quite an interesting week. Um, but before talking like bullshit, let's just get into it. So, looking at the 4-hour chart, which looks like crap. I'm sorry, guys. Just a second. Let's open it up here. Not the weekly. We need the 4H. Looking at it. Yeah, it's quite rangy, but I decided it will go up. Just let me check the dates. Yeah. So I was like, either it's going up and try to take kind of this liquidity. Let me just check where it is. There is this one. Yeah, either it's gonna take liquidity up here or down below here. If you look at the upper chart, we have down this double bottom, which would equal this. And also we have another low, which is this key low here. And I think I had another high, right, which is this here, this double top. So my plan for the week was something like either it's gonna grab liquidity up here and continue bearish, which it did, or it will go right below here, take liquidity and go up again and take liquidity somewhere up here. The only thing I quite didn't knew was, will it reverse after taking liquidity here or here? So I kind of expected it to grab liquidity here, but since the momentum was so strong, I thought to myself, yeah, maybe it wants to grab liquidity up here and then continue bearish. So that was kind of my game plan, looking for longs below here, looking for shorts above there. So starting into the week, it's Monday, so not really interesting. We can skip Monday. I think I haven't looked on Monday. Yeah, I have looked, but it was kind of rangy, and I was like, kind of no Judah swing. Or it was a setup was presented here, but it never really broke. Oh, actually did break down. Oh, could have been here a long trade, I guess. Didn't saw that one coming. Never mind. But nonetheless, it was Monday, so I wasn't really paying attention. Especially since London started ranging like garbage till London close. It ranged, so I want to see how it will play out. So we have Tuesday rolling in, and we have broken this high, or this double top here. So we are in a liquidity, so I was looking for shorts. As you can see, I drew in the daily open. Let's just play it out. So it started going up, and I was like, nice, okay. Maybe this is the reversing point, especially since it's broken above the daily open. So I wanted it to start creating bearish structure, which it did. So actually this would have been a bullish Judah swing, but as I mentioned, because we broke this high here, so it's grabbing liquidity, I guess this Judah swing isn't kinda valid, or it's not that strong. So I was like, yeah, you know what, this is definitely gonna be bearish. So I placed an order here at the point 618 Fibonacci. Also, as you can see, there is this fair value gap on the 15-minute chart. And also it will test the daily open. And my take profit would have been something like this double bottom, so a little bit below the Asian range. Seemed like fine. Yeah, as you can see, 15-minute sell side, I guess I'm referencing to these two lows here. So that was my idea. Sadly, I saw this and I was like, damn, this would also be a really nice trading opportunity. Especially since in the 5-minute, yeah, we have our order block here. We have the daily open getting retested, and we have the 50% Fibonacci, and I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait here till it reaches this one. Yeah, of course, it rejected this daily open and went down below. And I was like, God fucking damn it! What's the difference? 6 pips, and I would have had a really nice trade. And what's a little bothering me, it's like, it was so close. And I saw this and I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait till up here. You know, if I just... This week is cursed somehow. If I just would have done this, same stop loss, would have been a perfectly fine trade, 1 to 2. Grabbing my 35 pips. Also, if we look further, it went even more below, so it broke. So I could have traded into infinity, like... Yeah, that's quite sad. And I don't know, man, this whole week I was kind of scared to take a trade. I don't know why. Maybe because I missed this opportunity. This we will get again, and to this we will get. And then somehow I shut my pants and didn't take those two. But nonetheless, let's go further into the video. So I was like, okay, goddamn, I missed the trade. But never mind. I will look for New York open trade. So New York open kind of rolling up. We have the London close in this too. So I was kind of looking at the 5-minute chart, I guess. Yeah, we have this bearish order block. I was like, you know what? The momentum is pretty strong. I am looking for a trade here. So I think I placed a limit order. But no, it didn't happen. I closed the order right after, because when I placed it, the market was here, so it started to retrace. But then it broke this low, and I was like, nah, I'm out of it there. I don't want to trade this anymore. If this retracement here went a little bit more above and fulfilled my order, it would have been a pretty nice trade. But so I am not interested. And this one, I think I just saw this. Yeah, I wasn't interested in this trade, but I saw it and was like, yeah, I'm gonna draw in this Fibonacci just to see how it plays out. Yeah, it wouldn't really be played out well. Maybe if you would have taken here, if you would have managed to pinpoint it at the stop loss below, something like that, but it wouldn't have been fulfilled, so fuck it. So yeah, this was just a small idea, so nothing really interesting. Going to Wednesday. So I was still looking for bearish trades till down below here. Especially we have on a Tuesday London Open our weekly high. So I was quite interested in a trade here, and which will go below here. So I drew in the daily open and was expecting a kind of Judas swing setup, I guess. I broke the high here. So it would have been again be a bullish. No. I waited for a retest of this order block. But it's not an order block. Fuck. Okay. So at the time I was thinking this is an order block, but it isn't, which I am seeing right now. So it's kind of garbage, but what you could have traded was this here. Okay, I messed up here. Would have been... No, wouldn't have retested it anyways, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, I was quite expecting this order block to be retested, but it didn't. So I just kept going down. It retraced back up. I think it never tested this order block. No. Did it test this kind of order block here? Yeah, it did. So this one is fake anyways. But this one here would have been legit. Ah, goddamn. I didn't see that one while on the live charts. But this one would have been a pretty nice one. So getting up, retracing, creating a fair value gap, fulfilling the fair value gap, and slowly breaking down. Sadly, but never mind. That's why I am doing this, to see like missed opportunities here and to look at if I could have done better. Yeah, they definitely could have done. So this one was fake, and on the 5-minute chart we would have had one beautiful trade, but never mind, I guess. Moving along, we get into Thursday. So mind you, I already missed. Actually, I'm not quite sad about this and this. I couldn't give them really a fuck about them. But I'm kinda messed up because of this trade, because it would have been a really nice by the book trade. So especially it going then further down, you know, kind of messed up my brain. Then this one not getting up, this one not getting quite. It started really to mess with my head. And then it took liquidity here down this below on the first day, and I was like, okay, it could go up. Then it started creating like this bullish behavior, you know, creating 2 new lows, breaking this high, even though it's quite rangy. And then I saw this, it going up. I think I need to jump to the 5-minute chart. So I was convinced about this trade because I took the liquidity. Almost, this is a 30 pips, so I guess this is something like 20 pips, exactly 20 pips. It started creating kind of bullish behavior. This here, it took liquidity down here. I was like, goddamn, this could be a really nice trade. So first of all, I was like interested in this order block here. Then it started going down and not respecting this order block, and I was like, okay, not cool. But drawing in this Fibonacci, I saw like this retracement. Was like, okay, it could play out, and I was decided against it because it started ranging, and also this Fibonacci doesn't really make any kind of sense. Maybe it does, maybe not. I don't know, to be honest with you. But the trade would have worked out perfectly. So this kind of messed me up, because I was like, goddamn, this was a perfect trading opportunity for short scalp. But I didn't take it, you know. And I was like, goddamn, even when you play it further, you see how it fucking pushed up like a bitch. Yeah. So I was kind of sad I didn't take this trade, and just because my head fucked me up, because I was doubting myself. Especially since I have kind of a weakness to check out if we are bullish or bearish. And even though I had a plan for the week, you know, being bullish till this liquidity up here is gonna be taken, and being bearish till this liquidity down here would have been taken, which played out perfectly, as you can see. So this bullish trade would have been totally fine. That's what I'm sad about it. Not missing this trade or the profit, more about I'm sad about myself because I didn't took it, because I doubted myself. I had no self-confidence. That's what's making me quite sad. Just being doubting and having this kind of fear of maybe I'm gonna mess it up. Yeah. So I'm gonna definitely gonna take this with me for the next week, and not shitting my pants and just taking the fucking trades if they are reasonable, like this one would have been reasonable. One thing that I can see these videos are doing with me, I'm more reasonable about my trades. I'm taking my time because I have to explain it at the end of the week, even though I have no fucking viewers. But fuck this, I'm not doing this because I want to do this because I want to become a trader. So I'm fine with that. But still, I need to explain it at the end of the week, and there is a slight chance someone will be seeing this. And yeah, so I'm gonna take this with me because next week I don't wanna shit my pants again. The same thing about Friday. I saw this, you know, I don't trade Fridays, but still I'm looking out for trades, especially since I haven't taken any. So that's what I'm struggling with. Like, should I take Friday trades because I haven't traded the whole week, or should I just let it be? And so I had kind of this conflict in my head, and I saw a trading opportunity, you know, still being bullish because of this. I took like this Fibonacci and was like, okay, grabbing liquidity, Asian range liquidity, having this retracement of 0.618, rejecting it. And I think on the 5-minute chart it started building bullish behavior. Did it? Nope. Yeah, but I didn't take this trade, even though it would have played out again perfectly. Yeah. And again, I wrote down here, yeah, it's Friday, it's close to the weekly open, I don't want to take it. You can see this as yappa yappa yappa. To be honest, I just doubted myself and looked for kind of, what's it called? Excuses. Yeah, I was just looking for excuses to not trade, which is pretty garbage. So I'm not pretty satisfied with this week. I'm definitely gonna try to take the best of it and kick myself in the arse for the next week, to not make these mistakes again. Also, next week we will be 1 month into trading or doing this shit. So I think I'm gonna try and raise my weekly goals to 30 pips. Till now it was 20 to 30. Now I want to be at least 30 pips. Yeah, so I think that's it for the video. I don't know if I'm gonna do any backtesting bullshit. We'll see. Anyways, guys, see ya. Bye.